Hey, this is Tyres. Welcome to BBQ 101. I'm here to announce the winners of our barbecue sauce giveaway. We got to 100 subscriptions on YouTube. Remember to go on our YouTube channel and share and subscribe, and that way other people can see it. But we are now happy to announce that we have 2 winners for our barbecue sauce. Remember, this is Baby Boy's barbecue sauce. Remember, often imitated, never duplicated. Baby Boy's barbecue sauce. I'm Baby Boy. Now, so the 2 winners are that we drew and selected are Luke Hinkle. Luke Hinkle and Lori Ann Younger. You're the 2 winners of a bottle of Baby Boy's barbecue sauce. Now, I need you to contact me because I don't have your emails. I need you to contact me so I can get an address and I will mail the sauce to you. Okay? It'll go through the mail. It's perfectly fine. We have done this numerous times. We've sent it to South Georgia. We've also sent it to as far as Alaska, and we've sent it to California. So it travels very well. We'll get that to you. So Luke Hinkle and Lori Ann Younger, please contact us with an email and an address. All right, so we thank y'all for watching. When we get to 500 and we get to 1,000, we'll do it again. We'll provide people with some free bottles of barbecue sauce. So continue watching BBQ 101 on YouTube. See y'all.